Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2017 Nissan Armada SV. The Armada is a pretty cool vehicle at a pretty amazing price point. We'll get to that a little later in the video. This is basically Nissan's answer to the Chevrolet Tahoe. It's a big third row seat vehicle. Got a V8 up front, powered by a 5.6 liter V8 in the front. Let's just start here up front. You got the big aggressive grille there, the chrome accents around the sides. You got your Nissan emblem. Your high-intensity headlights there with the fog lights in the lower bumper. Around the side, you see a good-sized alloy rim mounted up with a brand new, these are all 4 brand new Cooper Adventure tires. It's a very aggressive, nice winter tread. Make sure you get full advantage out of your four-wheel drive that is in this car. Like I said, it does have the 5.6 liter V8. You see that badging right there on the side. Nice little running board there in the bottom. Got your chrome door handles on both the front driver and front passenger side. There's a little button right here. If you have the key in your pocket and you push that button, it will let you unlock the vehicle without having to take the key out of your pocket. Sort of a nice darker colored trim that goes over both the front and the rear wheels here. Coming around the back, see your Nissan Armada badging as well as a nice chrome accent here. If you look down here, you'll see you've got these little circles. These are your proximity sensors for backing up. You'll notice that this piece right here, there's a little divider here and here. That is because there's actually a tow hitch and the electric wiring plug all ready to go. There's 2 screws that hold this cover in place. You take those 2 screws off, hitch is right there, plug is right there, you're ready to tow a trailer. Armadas with the 5.6 are rated up to 8,500 pounds. So you have a fair amount of towing capacity in this unit as well. See your backup camera right up here underneath this area. It is a power liftgate, as you can see. Right now the third row seats are up, which gives you room to haul up to 7 passengers in this vehicle. If you look over, it's kind of tough to see, but the third row seats are actually incredibly roomy in this vehicle here. You have your front seats, your second row, and then your third row here. This is a bigger third row than is offered in well, most vehicles that have the third row. If you're hauling a lot more cargo, you only need room for 5 passengers. You can fold these seats down and have plenty of cargo space. Put this down here. Continuing around, all of your matching items here on this side. Let's just jump in real quick. Do have a full power driver seat with a lumbar adjustment there. Nice premium cloth. It's not sure how to describe this cloth. It's a really like a comfortable cloth, but it's like it feels to be more durable than a lot that you'd see in other vehicles. Has a nice little brown piping around it. Gives a little accent to it. Jumping in. Let's start it up here. See that we have 43,212 miles in this car right now. Pretty much standard features up front here. You have all your radio controls over here, cruise control stuff here, blinkers and lights on the things to the right and left. All of your buttons. The car is equipped with heated cloth seats. The buttons for that are here for the passenger and there for the driver. Your selector here, your four-wheel drive stuff here, is equipped with navigation. You can see the nav screen right there. We go out. It also is equipped with XM radio. The subscription's not currently active, and we're also inside, so it can't pick up the signal, but it is equipped with XM and XM capable. So in the beginning of the video, you heard me say that this is Nissan's answer to the Chevrolet Tahoe and the GMC Yukon. This car comes in at a significantly lower price point. We do price consistently to market. The price right now is starting, it's under $30,000, and we'll continue to adjust with the market as things go. However, if you'd like Tahoe-like capability, Tahoe size, towing capacity, things like that, at a lower price point on a budget, the Nissan Armada is definitely the answer to those problems. If you'd like to take a look at this car, you can come out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg. Give us a call at 717-485-4224, or keep checking us out online at thomasata.com. Thank you very much.